So in this video we will discuss all the MCQ answers for the set code 3033 of math. So the number of multiples of 6 lying between 25 and 363. Now 363 divided by 6 will approximately get it as 60 something. So 60 is the you know maximum number of multiples lying between 0 and 360. Okay, 363. Now it says 25, so before 24 and all of those number below 24 is not included, and number of multiples from 0 to 24 of 6 is 4. So 60 minus 4, that is 56, is the answer. Option number A. Now, two dice are rolled together. The probability that the sum of their numbers obtained are divisible by 6. Now, for that we have the 1,5. We can have 2,4. We can have 3,3. Then we can have 4,2. Then we can also have 5,1 as well as 6,6. 5 plus 1, 6 is divisible by 6, and obviously 6, 6, 6, 6. Then 6 plus 6, 12, which is also divisible by 6. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. So 6 by 36. Sample space is 36. So that is 1 by 6. That is option number A. Okay, moving on to this third question. Now you're supposed to find coordinates of B and C. Okay. Now A is given and D is the median. Now we know the formula that median of the equilateral triangle is root 3a by 2, which is equal to, now this is the median, right? This is the height. So height also is equal to 5 root 3 divided by 2. That is the height of the triangle. Alright, so 5 root 3 divided by 2. Now on comparing, A is 5. So the side of the triangle is 5 units. So BD is 5 by 2, that is 2.5 units. Okay. Now B, we can take it as minus x comma 0, because this point is lying on x-axis, right? This point is lying on x-axis. So minus x comma 0. Now formulating the distance formula with this, we'll get x square is equals to 2.5, or x square is equal to root of x square is equal to 2.5, then x is equal to 2.5 minus 2.5 actually. So from these options, option number B, which is minus 2.5 comma 0 and 5 comma 2 by 0, is the answer. The median and mode of the distribution are 25.2 and 26.1 respectively, the mean of the distribution. Now we know the formula, 3 median equals to 2 mean plus mode. You're supposed to find mean. So 3 median minus 2 mode divided by 3 median minus mode divided by 2 will give us the median, and you just put the values and you will get it as 24.75. Alright, now the next question. In the given, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP, and all of these things are given, so you're supposed to find QR. Now let us form the, as these triangles are similar, so we can take the ratios. So AB upon QR is equals to BC upon RP. Now you're supposed to find QR. AB is given as 9, BC is given as 5, and RP is given as 2, and so QR is equals to 18 by 5, which is 3.6 centimeters. Okay, now a polynomial p of x which has sum of its zeros equal to the product, that means alpha plus beta is equals to alpha into beta. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by a is equal to c by a. Now minus b is equal to c. So from observing these two, this is not the answer. This is also not the answer. Minus of minus 2 is equal to 2. So C is the answer. Now the next, in the given figure, PQ and PR are tangents to a circle with center O and radius 3 centimeter. If this is 60 degree, find the length of each tangent. We'll do construction. Okay, so this is 30 degree now. This is 30 degree and this is our perpendicular 90 degrees. So this will be our hypotenuse, and we can use this will be base cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is QP upon, oh wait, we can also use another one, right? So let me do this question again. 30 degree, okay, radius is 3 centimeter, and this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. Okay, so we will use this. So we have to take base upon perpendicular ratio. Base upon perpendicular, we can use tan. Okay, so tan 30 I'm taking. Tan 30 is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 3, base is x, we are supposed to find. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 by x. So this side, the tangent is 3 root 3 centimeters. Option number A. The given figure, OA into OB equal to OC into OD. Which of the following option is correct? Now if they are equal, we will formulate the ratios. So OA upon OC equals to OD upon OB. Okay, OB. So OA upon OC is equal to OD upon OB. So triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB. Now let us check the options. Angle A is equal to angle C. Yes, angle A is equal to angle C, and none of the other options are true. So that's the answer. The value of 1 by 2 tan square 45 minus cos square 60. 1 by 2 into tan 45 is 1 square, and cos square 60 is again 1 by 2 the whole square, so that is 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 will get it as 4 minus 2 by 8, that is 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. Option number C. A cone of maximum size is curved out of a solid cube of edge length L centimeter. It's L. Okay, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and r square, that is L by 2 the whole square. 1 by 3 pi L by 2 the whole square, that is L square divided by 4 into h is L. So L cube pi divided by 12, that is option number A is the answer. Okay, so this one we have to solve and see. So that is 33 into 13, 33 into 13, and we'll get this 3 ones are 3. So 33 into 13, the value is 33 into 13, it is 429, and we are adding 3 to it, So that is 432. And is it divisible by 13? It is not divisible by 13. Is it an odd number? No, it's not an odd number. Is it a prime number? No, it's not a prime number, so it's a composite number. Okay, the 12th question. Given that sine 2a is equal to root 3 by 2, you're supposed to find the value of sine 3a. Now sine 2a, so we can write root 3 by 2 as sine 60. So 2a is equal to 60, so a is equal to 30. Okay, now suppose one of sine 3a, so sine 3 into 30, that is sine 90. Now sine 90 is of course 1, so option number C is the answer. Okay, question number 13. If the length of the shadow of a tower is root 3 times of its height, then find the altitude of the sun. So this is the shadow, root 3 times this, so we're taking the height as x, so root 3, we're taking this as theta. Now we'll do tan theta, that is x upon root 3x, so that is 1 by root 3, and at tan 30 the value is 1 by root 3, so the altitude of the sun is 30 degree. Okay, now the nth term of the AP, so from this nth term of the AP is a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, and d is 8 by 3 minus 5 by 3, that is 3 by 3, that is 1, so d is 1, and a is minus 1 by 3, so minus 1 by 3 plus n minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 3n minus 3, and we will get it as when you solve you will get it as n minus 4 by 3. That's the answer. Okay, so if in the given figure is supposed to find the length of OP, this value is supposed to find out. Okay, again this is the 90 degrees, so this is hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular, and this is radius. Okay, so again we can use cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is based upon hypotenuse, r by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to r root 2, that is OP, hypotenuse OP. OP is equal to r root 2, so A is the answer. The roots of the quadratic equation, x minus 1 the whole square equal to 16, so x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 4, x equal to plus 4 minus plus 4 plus 1, and minus 4 plus 1, so that will be 5 and minus 3. These are the possible values, 5 and minus 3. Then if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, so that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so b square is equal to 4ac, b square is k square is equal to 4 into a, 4 into root 3 into 2 root 3, that is 8 into root 3 the square, that is 8 3 is 24, so k is equal to plus or minus root 24, plus or minus root 24. A is the answer. Okay, moving on to assertion, reason questions. Tan 2 theta is not defined at theta equal to 45 degrees. Yes, tan twice of 45, that is tan 90, is not defined. This is true. Why? Sin 90 is not equal to sin is not equal to cos 90. Yes, this is also true, but this clearly doesn't define or doesn't explain why tan 90 is 0. Tan 90 is 0 because cos 90 is 0. It's not because both of these are not equal. So answer is B for the first one. And for 20, the radius is the smallest distance of a tangent from the center of the circle. Yes, this is correct. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. This is also correct, and it does explain the assertion. So the answer is A. Okay, so these are all the MCQs discussed for the set code paper, which is 33.3.